Hi, welcome to Desert Springs Preparatory Elementary School. I'm Raquel Scott, the proud principal of this outstanding school community. At Desert Springs Preparatory, we pride ourselves in being the ideal balance of a challenging learning environment and a strong, caring community that values each student. We focus on mastery of the Arizona State Standards through a student-centered approach. Students learn 21st century skills through a challenging and engaging curriculum. Our signature programs include Spalding Phonics, Core Knowledge, One-to-One Technology, and much more.
In Spalding, we will teach the kids the phonograms, which are essential in building fluency skills, comprehension skills, and spelling skills.
14's a good one. Lucy, what phonograms are in 14?
They are seeing the sounds, they are hearing the sounds, and they're repeating the sounds.
Differentiated instruction basically promotes student growth. Whether they're moving fast, whether they're moving slow, it sets them up for their own pace, which is super important for their success.
Core Knowledge is a really important part of Desert Springs Preparatory. It's a really unique program where we get to spiral curriculum all the way through the grade levels. So when we come in to start something new, they already have a knowledge and a background about it that I can build upon.
Science here at Desert Springs is really based on the inquiry process. So it's a student-centered approach where teachers guide students through questions, provide materials to use investigations, and then the students also collect data in order to get a deeper understanding.
Commerce is a sixth grade leadership program that we have at our school. We do a lot of events within our neighborhood community, the school community. We do fundraisers throughout the school year. They really learn about working as a group. They learn about what it means to be a leader. They learn about giving back, and most importantly, the importance of volunteering.
Engagement in my classroom is very important to me. It's important that the students have buy-in into what they're learning. I try to be the guide on the side. No student wants to just sit there and listen to somebody give them the information. It's more important for them to discover the information on their own and practice it in engaging ways.
At DSP, we learn to appreciate each other and celebrate what makes us unique. We are kind, caring, and supportive of one another. We have a structured autism program on our campus that has also attributed to a climate of care and understanding for others.
Our one son has speech and occupational therapy needs, and the support he has had for that has been tremendous here, and he's really made great improvement while he has been here.
Students learn to be safe, organized, accountable, and respectful in all areas of our school. Students rotate through 3 special area classes: art, music, and PE.
Our school is very fortunate that we are still able to offer all 3 of those special areas. And I think what makes us so unique in special areas is our passion for what we do and how much we believe in our curriculum for our children.
At Desert Springs Preparatory, we value a strong partnership with parents. Parent involvement in the classrooms, around our school, and at home are examples of our shared commitment to student success.
I have parents in and out of my room 5 days a week. I think it's just a love for wanting to be here, a love for wanting to support the teachers, and just wanting to be involved in their child's learning.
We believe in developing a love for learning and supporting students to reach their highest potential. The Desert Springs Preparatory community works together to provide the best educational experience for our students.
There's just a love for this place. And you see it in the kids every day. You see a love for coming to school, a love for learning, and you see it in their parents as well. They love having their children here.